Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary, spread across 14 acres, has an interesting variety of bird life. If you are a bird enthusiast, visit the sanctuary between June and August, the breeding season of resident wetland birds such as Indian darter, little cormorant, different species of egrets and herons, white ibis, several species of kingfishers, etc. Between the months of November and May, the bushes and woods of the sanctuary play host to some rare migratory birds. The Vembanad lake body attracts waterfowl like pintail duck, garganey teal, spot-billed duck, birds of prey like osprey, marsh harrier, steppe eagle, etc. Bird lovers can also take a boat trip to the nearby Kaipuzha Muttu, Pathiramanal, Narakathara, Thollayiram, Kayal and Poothapandi Kayal to watch local bird life and migrants, which could easily be more than 100 species. Waterscapes. The backwater resorts of Kerala Tourism Development Corporation, situated near the sanctuary, has independent cottages built on stilts.